Hi, everyone. Welcome to May. Hope all the tax accountants, CPAs were able to get a good break after the tax deadlines. Hope you guys got some time off, got some rest. Some of you may know me already. My name is Amanda Beren. I've been with CorpNet since day one, have been working with the partner program since we started it. And thank you all, existing and potential new partners, for joining the event today. It's great to see everyone here and welcome anyone new. For this month's live, we wanted to take the time to show you guys a set of marketing tools and resources CorpNet has available for all our partners. We've been asked for marketing materials a lot for reseller and referral. So we're really trying to put together some good packaging for everybody so you can start rolling out these services to your clients and offer new services as easy as possible. So let's go ahead and get started. So basically, this is going to really focus on our marketing materials and basically just building your business and partnering with us and how we can help. So as you know, becoming a partner with CorpNet means that we are your partner in offering any type of business filing services. We can help with any type of aspects, including marketing. We offer a wide variety of services, and we can help you offer these services to your clients either as reseller or referral partners. But the main thing and the questions that we get asked is, how do you get the word out to your clients? How do you start offering these services to your clients? So there's a ton of different resources that we have. So for our partners, we have brochures, website copy, email copy, new business checklist, FAQs for client communication, and banners. And this is for both reseller and referral partners. So the brochures that we offer come in white label and co-brand. You can completely remove the CorpNet branding. You can add your own logo. You can customize them. The website copy is just very basic content that you can add to your website regarding our services that we offer. No mention of CorpNet regardless of referral or reseller. It's just basic information that you can add to your site. Email copy, if you want to do any email blasts, newsletters, questions to clients, or anything like that, we can provide you. We have new business checklists. So if you have any clients that are wanting to start a new business or expand into other states, we have checklists that you can go through with your clients. And again, these are white label or CorpNet branded, co-branded, however you want to do it. We're super flexible when it comes to that kind of stuff. We also have FAQs for client communication, and this goes for setting up a business, how to run a business, maintenance, anything that, any questions that you get asked, basically. And if there's anything that you need, something that we don't have, just ask your account manager, and we can possibly whip something up for you. We also have banners that we offer. The banners that we offer are for referral partners, and the banners are basically links that you can throw up on your website, your social media pages, and they can be embedded with your referral partner link. And if anyone clicks on it, it will take them directly to the CorpNet website. Once they place an order, it'll be linked to your partner ID, and you'll get credit for that sale. So the marketing brochures and checklists that we offer, the CorpNet company brochure is basically just all of the services that we offer in a list. And again, this can be white labeled where there's no CorpNet branding, and this can be branded with the CorpNet. You can add your logo as a co-brand, however you want to do it. But this is just a brochure just stating what type of services that you offer when it comes to business filings, and these can be incorporated in your already existing services that you're offering, however you want to do it. If there's anything that you'd like us to add to them, we can also take care of that. Um, we have one-page brochures, excuse me, with CorpNet branding, one-page brochures with your partner contact or logo if you'd like us to add or if you want to add. Most of the brochures are in Word format or PDF. Same with the new business checklist brochure. It is with CorpNet branding or with partner logo or no branding at all. So whatever works best for you. So the website copy that we offer, it's very basic information that describes the services that we are offering to you as your partner. That just defines what all of the services are. So it's not something that you have to draft up. So, what is a business formation? What's an LLC? What's an S corporation? The benefits of starting a business or the benefits of incorporating, um, any type of post formation, business compliance and maintenance, and how you can help your clients. So, this copy is completely editable. You can change it, you can throw it up on your site, but it's just very basic copy that we provide to you. So the email copy that we offer, this is for your clients with the lowest hanging fruit per se, letting them know about your new services. So it can go out in an email blast. It can go out as a link to the services that you're offering in your signature, however you want to put it up. Again, it's completely editable. It is in email format, so it's formatted to email copy. So clients getting the emails on their phones, on their desktops, we format it to where it's the best looking email copy, and you can do it in an email blast through an email marketing service, however you want to do it. Um, but this is really great to basically spread the word to all of your clients that you're offering these new services. So next we have the client questionnaires. So these questionnaires are great because it's basically a set of questions that you can use to help your clients decide what's best for your client's individual needs. So it covers LLCs, corporations. They're basically just probing questions that you're going to ask your clients. We have a wizard on our website that takes you through a list of questions that at the end it basically gives you an answer. So you can take these questions and throw them into the wizard on our website. I can link that out to everybody after this. The wizard that we have is not white label, so I don't suggest sending the link to your clients, but you can definitely use the questions or the answers that you get from these questionnaires to help decide on what type of entity your clients would fall under. Do they need a DBA? Do they need to foreign qualify into other states? Um, if they're going to have employees, what type of tax registrations they're going to need, things like that. So, just a list of really good questions to go through with your clients, basically. Tax savings FAQs. So these FAQs we have are also great brochures to hand out to your clients. Again, these can be white labeled. But these are just frequently asked questions by your clients that come up as to what is the best type of entity to set up to where I will get the most tax savings and benefit my business. Um, as you all know, clients get to a certain point in their business where a sole proprietorship or just a general partnership is no longer beneficial. And it comes up to where they would be saving money, whether they went S Corp, C Corp, or maybe certain situations arise to where they need to protect their assets. So these are some really good questions to go through with your clients or hand out with the brochures as to their potential tax savings. So these are our banners that we offer. And again, these are mostly for the referral partners. So these are not for the resellers. Um, There are some banners without the CorpNet logo, but again, the purpose of the banners is to take the client to the CorpNet site. And some have coupon codes embedded if you want to offer your clients coupon. Um, Mind you, if you are a referral partner, you automatically get your referral fee of 20%. So if you're offering your clients a savings or a coupon, that would be deducted from your referral fee. So um, completely up to you if you want to offer it, but we do have coupons available to you for up to 10%. We have tons of banners to list on the site, and these banners are just put on your website, on your social media pages, and they're embedded with the link that we send you for your referral. Once the client clicks on it, takes them to our website. Once they actually place an order, then you will then get credit for that sale. Next, we have the steps to increase revenue. So basically, this is your revenue. So you need to determine, based on your particular business as a partner, what type of CorpNet services you want to offer, and if you want to offer ongoing compliance. So any accountant, CPA, business formations, your clients come to you for business setup. They trust you the most. They want you to set up their business. One thing that's often looked or overlooked is the ongoing compliance. So there's maintenance that needs to be done for business entities, and a lot of accountants or CPAs, they don't want to deal with the compliance because it's a lot of work, especially if you have clients in different states. There's different due dates, different filings that need to be made, and this pertains to just the entity compliance, not tax filings or anything like that. So with CorpNet as your partner, we make this really simple for you. We keep a alert dashboard in your portal that keeps track of all the due dates. We send you alerts. These are services that you can offer and mark up to your clients. And these are things that they already think the accountant is taking care of anyway. So you may as well get paid for it. Create a website page that lists these services. So make sure you break out the services between formation and ongoing compliance. So make sure that this is something that your clients know that these are two separate services and that the compliance is going to be required, whether you're doing it or whether they want to do it themselves or however they plan on doing it. But by breaking out the services between the formation and the ongoing compliance, you can price it differently. Um, you can do subscription services, however you want to set it up. But either way, it's important to let the client know that there is ongoing maintenance and compliance that needs to be done with their business entity after they set the business up. Create and send an email to your clients or full mailing list to introduce them to the services that you offer. So a lot of partners, when they first join, they don't really know how to spread the word. They will keep the service in their back pocket, and if a client brings it up, then they mention that they can offer these services. But there's a lot of your clients that need this that they don't know that you're offering this, so they're not going to ask you. They're going to go to different companies like LegalZoom or come directly to us even to get these things done. But if you offer it and you let your clients know that this is something that you offer, they're going to come straight to you. They want you to do this for them. Remind clients of key compliance dates, obligations, and how you can help. Again, this goes back to the ongoing compliance. We set you up with a dashboard with all of the alerts for all of your business clients. We do free compliance checks before we add the companies into your dashboard, free of charge. There's no setup costs. We add them in, we get the file dates, we get the due dates, and you'll start getting alerts. So how you want to manage and maintain that is completely up to you. But reminding your clients that this is something that needs to be done and that you offer this service can be really beneficial. So how to bring this up to your clients when you're talking about new services. So um, email blasts are great. If you already send monthly newsletters out to your clients regarding your firms, adding something about the new services that you offer is great. Um, Bringing up different services as far as listing it on your website or um, going over a client's tax return, maybe. Something as simple as you have a client that's a sole proprietorship that maybe they would save money if they formed an S corporation starting this year so they can benefit from the tax savings next year. Oh, I set up S corporations, I can take care of this for you. Um, we handle all of the work on the back end, or if you are a referral client, you can just send them directly to us. The client doesn't need to do anything. And you as a partner don't need to do anything. We handle all of it. So these are great talking points when you're going through certain things with the client. Maybe a client discusses that they're about to be sued or they're going through a divorce or things come up in life that these things can be brought up. But for the most part, I would say email blasts, newsletters, uh, adding it to your website definitely with a feature that maybe says new services. And then as far as existing clients, same thing. This is how to determine if an existing client needs one of your services. I'm sure you all have existing clients that have not been taking care of their ongoing compliance, for example. Most partners, when we do a compliance check, if they're not handling the compliance already for their clients, then the clients are most likely not doing it until they get a letter that says that they owe a late fee, and then they ask you why it hasn't been done. So this is a good talking point to bring up to existing clients on handling their ongoing compliance and their maintenance for their business. And again, we offer free compliance checks to all of our partners. Even if you've been a partner for years, if you have some business clients that you want to add into your portal, contact your account manager and we can send you over a compliance checklist. And we just need the names of the companies, the states that they're registered in. We do a compliance check. We send you back all of the results. These people are due in a month. These people are past due. These people need to be reinstated. We can go through it before you reach back out to your client. So CorpNet tools are your resources. So these are things that you will go to often. So partner program FAQs, business name search tool. This is, let's say you have a client that wants to set up a new business or change their business name. We do a free name search for you on our website. If the name's not available, you'll know right off the bat you need to get a new name from your client. Interactive business structure wizard tool. So this is the wizard that I was referring to earlier. This will take you through a sequence of questions that you can go over with your client or you can get from the questionnaire. And you just enter them into the wizard and it basically spits out at the end of the questionnaire what entity type they would be best suited for. So that's actually great. And again, that is not white labeled. So at this moment. So that is on the CorpNet site. So reseller partners, I don't suggest sending the link, but CorpNet compliance portal. This is on your dashboard. So this is your alerts. This is the portal that is going to give you every alert that's going to send you email reminders of all of your clients' due dates. This varies by state. So if you have clients in multiple states, the due dates will be different. Certain states, the due dates is on the anniversary date. So it's really hard to keep track of if there's no specific tool that you're using for your clients. I have some partners that are putting it in their Outlook calendar and it can just get really messy. So this tool is really useful if you're going to start offering these services. Blog posts and articles, we post to our blog constantly. We're constantly updating our pages with content. Any type of question or certain subjects that come up, for example, the new BOI filing that just came out this year. We have a ton of content on that. Anything new that comes up in the world of business formations or business entities, we try and stay on top of as best as we can. Educational webinars and videos. So we have tons of webinars. We have tons of educational videos that we posted. Nellie has done a ton of videos on what is an S corporation, what is an LLC. Um, really, really useful, put in layman's terms, that if you're a little unfamiliar with the business entity, maybe you don't know all the ins and outs, even though you're an accountant, these aren't services that you've offered, so you just need to know all the nitty gritty details. Go take a look at our old webinars, the videos, really, really useful. All of this is on the marketing page of our website. So this is another look at the business structure wizard. So basically what it is it goes through a series of questions, and these are questions that you can go through with your clients over the phone, face to face on your computer, or get the questions from them from the questionnaire, and then you can enter it. Lots of accountants and CPAs like this because they are fearful of giving legal or financial advice, um, but also need to help the client, right? So you want to be helpful, but you also don't want to give legal advice in a sense to where, you know, you can get yourself in trouble or your client in trouble. So the business structure wizard is just facts that you're stating, yes or no answers. That at the end it'll give you certain percentages. So based on the questions that you answered, 80% says the client should be an LLC, 10% S corporation, and then you can see the details as to why, and then make the decision or even show the client the results based on their questions. This is the free business name search tool. So if you have a client that wants to start a business, you can submit a name search here, and we'll check the name with the state and make sure it's available. You can also reach out directly to your account manager to check this name for you. Um, we're always happy to help, but this is good because it will give you name search results, and then you can give the client that information rather than waiting for us to start the process and then finding out, a few days later that it's not available. So let's see here. This is the portal. So portal with compliance check. So this is the biz alert section on your dashboard that gives you all of the compliance alerts. So whether this is an annual report, a BOI, for example, any business registered prior to 2024, they have until the end of 2024 to file the BOI. If it's a new business registered in 2024, they have 90 days to get that done from the date of incorporation. So once a new business is registered, it will automatically create an alert in your dashboard for the 90 days. And then if it's an existing business registered prior to 2024, the BOI alert will be in there as well with the upcoming due date of December 31st of 2024. Registered agent services. So if we are providing your client with a registered agent service, maybe they're in a state that they don't have a physical address, we can provide registered agent services in all 50 states. So that would pop up here. So this is just a great tool to manage all of this for all of your business clients without having to get messy in your Outlook calendar, and it sends you email alerts to remind you if you forget to log in here. So this is just a great overall tool for managing business compliance for your clients and yourself for your business. So as far as the different types of partners, we have referral or white label. So as far as what would be best suited for you, should you do referral? Should you do reseller, white label, or both? You can always do both. We have a ton of partners that are reseller, but let's just say they get busy during tax season. they can do referral. You can switch off at any point, or everyone has those lovely clients that you love to deal with that are just difficult. Maybe you don't want to deal with that client when it comes to this particular service, so you just want to refer them over to CorpNet. Send them over. We'll deal with it. We'll send you a referral fee, or you can always pass on the savings to your client. If you want to just, if you don't care about the referral fee, we can just give them your discount basically. So as a referral partner, you get commission on each sale. So anytime your client comes to us, whether it be a handoff referral to the account manager, or they click on a banner or a link and takes them directly to the site, you get a commission or referral fee on each sale. And generally, it starts at 20%. Um, you can waive your commissions and sale, pass on the savings, give your clients the discount. And then, of course, the white glove treatment for you. So your account manager will also be your referrals account manager. So let's just say I'm your account manager. You refer someone over to me to set up a new business. I will also be your client's account manager. So anytime you have a question or your client has a question about their business, you're not going to different people. You'll always be going to your main account manager for anything that you need. As far as resellers, so resellers get wholesale discounted pricing. So you don't get a referral fee, you get a discount upfront. So what would be your referral fee is just an upfront discount. We do private white label services. So we automatically do white label for resellers. So we basically just remove all CorpNet branding from anything that we send out to you. So the final packages, the kits, the paperwork that we send out, nothing has any type of CorpNet branding on it. We never reach out to your clients directly unless you want us to. We don't even need their contact info. We don't want their contact info. You're the main point of contact when it comes to the client. Um, and again, you have your account manager you can always go to with any questions. So the service offerings that we list that you can list on your site are basically incorporation and business filings, DBAs, payroll, and state tax registration services. So we don't actually do the payroll services, but we can get the client set up with a payroll account in the state. Same thing goes with sales tax registration. So all 50 states, we do the withholding and unemployment, get them completely set up and registered. So all they have to do is just give that number or numbers to their payroll company and they're good to go. Any type of annual compliance and monitoring we take care of. Amendments and modifications. So if you have a client that is changing a company name, changing an address, maybe they're removing a director, adding a director, president, we can take care of all of that. Dissolutions and withdrawals. So closures or withdrawal from foreign states, we can take care of that. Registered agent services, all 50 states, and a ton more services that you'll see through your dashboard, or again, feel free to schedule some time with your account manager and go through any questions on different offerings that might suit your particular business. So now we'll go through any questions that anybody has. I have one here. This is the, what about the business name search? Is that white labeled? Okay, so the business name search that we have on our website is not white labeled. So right now it's completely CorpNet branded. So this is something that you can submit as a reseller and we would just contact you. But it's not white labeled to where if you sent your client the link, it would have your branding or no branding. It would send them to the CorpNet website. So as of right now, unfortunately, it's not, but in the future, yes, we're definitely looking to do that as well as the wizard. Who would I contact if I want some of the brochures branded with my firm's logo and information? So just contact your account manager. Once you sign up for the partner program, if you're new to the partner program, you get assigned a account manager. So this is your dedicated account manager that you'll deal with always. So anything that you need from start to finish, questions, branding, marketing materials, you'll contact your account manager. After the initial onboarding that you go through with our acquisitions department, you'll be introduced to your account manager and you'll have all of their contact information. And your account manager's contact information is also located in your dashboard as well. So, are there any restrictions on what we can do with all of the marketing materials, or are we free to use it as we need? Thinking of trade show season and printing things to have on our table. Um, no restrictions really. It's basic content. You can do whatever you want with it. So the branding that we put on there, if you have branded materials, um, it's all CorpNet content. If it's white labeled, then you can put your own logo. You can take the brochure and you can tear it apart and add it into whatever you need. So if you're wanting to print something for trade shows, absolutely. Print it up, do whatever you need to do with it. If you need us to put your logo on it, or if there's anything specific that you want to do for a trade show, I personally have added specific logos for partners in the past with the trade show logo and their logo for that particular brochure, just for that one show. So, no restrictions when it comes to that. Okay, last one here. How many clients can we add into the portal for compliance reminders? As many as you want. Um, I've added 10, I've added 8,000. So you can have as many clients in the portal as you need. Um, when you send them over, if we're doing a compliance check for you for the business clients that you're uploading prior to uploading them, the more you have, the longer the compliance check will take. And I mean, a couple days. Um, the most I've done for one client for a compliance check, I think, was 2,000, and that took about a week. But yeah, you can have as many clients in your portal as you want. So completely up to you. You can add them one by one. You can upload them in bulk. We give you a template that you can add them to, and it asks for company name, state, entity type. It also asks for file number and file date. So if you don't have that information, or if you don't want to go fetch it for all of your clients, I suggest just sending it over to your account manager and having them do a compliance check, and we just automatically add that in there for you. But yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. You can message me on LinkedIn, Facebook. You can reach out to your account manager. Um, thank you, everybody, for joining us today. Again, my name is Amanda Beren. You can reach out to me directly. We will also share this on our site, on our Facebook, our LinkedIn. The next Facebook Live will be on July 10th at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to go over the breakdown of complicated topic of nexus and where your client falls into having a state nexus in a state that they're operating in or doing business in. So stay tuned for more information on that. But thank you all for joining. Have the great rest of your day. If you need anything, let us know, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks so much.